Those are a few takedowns that are great when it's time to play lightly. And if you have kids, they love getting dumped by you as long as you don't hurt them, and they love dumping you even more. Speaking of kids, today's advanced move is how to enjoy punishing them. I don't go over it here, but I put a link in the description called Judge and Jury that takes you to an article I wrote, and there's no email submission or anything to read it. It covers a super hack that destroys tension when it comes to dealing with unacceptable behavior. So if butting heads, threatening punishments all the time, or being walked all over like a doormat isn't your thing, you'll love this hack. For you married guys, this power gives you the ability to take a huge amount of stress out of your wife's life without adding any to yours. No joke. I wouldn't even share this if it wasn't good for kids or easily applied by adults. And I would ask you to share it with any parents that struggle with their mini-me's, but how do you do that without offending them? Hey Larry, seeing your kids run the show and you're always stressed about it, you should read this.
Elliot, to go!
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Larry! What's going on here? Oh,
Sir, I'm arrested. Oh!